Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. This is Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Crazy. So in today's session, I am going to explain that how we can set a primary key for two or more columns based on the composite operations. So these are our main things we are going to explain in this session. Before watching of my this session, please give a look for my previous session where I explain about the basic concept of the SQL. Also in previous session I explained that how we can set a primary key for a single column of a table. So these are things which can make a sense for get a better understanding for our upcoming sessions. So let's see for today's session. So for setting the primary key for two or more columns, we are going to perform this all operation by with the help of the practical operations. So you will get the better understanding. So for performing the practical operations, let's see in a SQL server. So first I have to create a table. So for creating a table, I have to need a database. So here you can see that here I previously I created one database. The name of the database is demo. So in this demo database, I am going to create a table. So first I will create a table with the help of the create table statement. So here you can see that the statement create table is name one employee table with four columns that ID, name, salary, and age. And after that, which here I specify the primary key for to the ID and name column, which is specify that this ID and name columns can't allow for any duplicate records. Even we can't store the null ID and name column. After that, this ID column is specified with the help of the int keyword. That is, we can insert only whole or integer value in this ID column. Also, this not null constraint is ensuring that we can't allow for to the any null values or any blank value for to the ID column. The name column contain the varchar data types where up to we can store up to 20 character in this name column, and after that this not null constraint also ensuring that we can't store the null value for this name column. The age column contain the whole values like integer data, and salary column contain the varchar data types where we can store up to 20 characters. So this all about the employee table by so now I have to create this schema for the employee table. So for that, here first I will select this statement, and after that I will click on this execute tab. So here you can see that my command is completed successfully. Now I have to insert the records for my employee table. So first, with the help of the insert into statement, I will insert the records for the table. After that, here I specify my existing table name, and after that I am going to use the column names which are already available, which are specified or defined with my table column schema. So here I am going to take name for those columns. After that, here I am going to use the values clause. Based on this values class, I am going to insert the records for this all respective or corresponding column of the employee table. So first I will add the or insert the values for the each and every column. So here you can see that here I taken the values for the all the columns of my employee table. So now I have to insert a row of data here this set of parentheses contain the one row of data for the employee table. So now I have to insert this row of data for the employee table. So for that, first I will select this statement, and after that I will click on this execute tab. So here you can see that one row is affected for the employee table. Now I have to check what are the concept I use here for the primary key constraint. So does this it's act on this ID and name column or not? So here I am going to insert the second row of data, so which can make a sense for checking that it's like what are the concepts we use for the primary key constraint, does it act as according to the those concept or not? So first what I will do here, I will take the same value for the ID column like which I already taken, and after that here I will change the name for the name column. So here I will take the one name like Omkar as the employee name. So after that I am going to insert this record for the employee table. So first I will save this statement and I will click on this execute tab. So here you can see that one row is affected. That means like here I specify the same name, same ID column value, but here I change the name for to the name columns, because like here while working on the primary concept, here I am consolidated both the ID and name column at the same time. Like I apply the primary key concept for both the ID and name columns. When if when I will use both the ID and name columns same at the same time, then on that time it will be showing me violation error. So for that, here I am going to insert the third row of data, so you will get the more insight. So what I will do here, I will take the same value for my ID column, that is 1, and here I will take same name for the ID columns which I taken for the first row of data. So here I am going to execute this statement. So for that, first I will select this template, and after that I will click on this execute tab. So here you can see that it is showing the violation error, that is showing that the duplicate key value is 1, 1 and Shubham for to the this respective row of data. So that is a thing that as here I apply the primary key for both the ID and name column, and as I come to the concept of the primary key, that we can't insert the duplicate row of value for both the ID and name column to whom we already defined the primary key constraint. So these are things we have to always remember while performing the primary key operations for two or more columns. So here I have to retrieve the data. So for that I am going to use select statement. After that here I will click on, I will use the or all symbol. After that I will take the from and particular table name which is already available in my database. So I will select this statement. I will click on this execute tab. Now here you can see that here two rows of values are available in my employee table, like which is act as the employee data for the employee table. So these all things we discuss in this session. I hope you got the better understanding by watching this session. So thanks for watching. Show your support by liking this video and subscribe to our channel and turning on notification for more upcoming updates. So let's keep learning together. Thank you so much.